Alright, let's just get into it. I'm gonna be doing kind of like a face paint type of makeup today, so I'm just gonna prime my face and put foundation on it because it's gonna kind of be like an abstract half of the face kind of a thing. So I just wanted to put foundation underneath as a base. So I'm just going in with the Becca Cosmetics foundation here on a brush, just kind of patting everything in on both sides of the face, even though we're only going to be using face paint on one side. So after that, I'm going to go in with my Mayron paint palettes here. I love these. They're water activated, which means you just add water to them to use them and then water to take them off. So you're going to be using a few different kinds of sizes paintbrushes here. Does that make sense? Different size paintbrushes, yeah. And I'm going in with the dark blue first and a pretty large brush to start. And I'm just making brush strokes, kind of patting it in all the way down my face and neck to begin with. Oh, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to cover your whole face with blue because we're going to be going in with a lot of different colors. So it's actually probably better if you leave some skin showing. I'm going to be taking this darker pink here on the same brush and just kind of start to fill in some of the skin areas, I guess you could say. Like if there's skin showing, then I want to start kind of filling in those blank areas with the different colors. So again, all the way down the neck, and we'll keep doing this with a few blues, a few other pinks or purples. You could add greens if you wanted to. So I'll let you watch for the remainder of the paint process because it's pretty repetitive, just using different colors to fill in the blank spots. Also, I kind of like the brush stroke effect, so I'm not blending anything together or mixing anything. I'm literally just making brush strokes with this light blue kind of lilac shade. I start to kind of make dotted shapes. Yeah, you can see here, and then I kind of pat it in just to give a little bit of a different texture. I don't do this too much with the paint. I kind of like the brush strokes instead. So the last color we're picking up is this dark purple, just to add some more dimension to the look. I didn't want to go too dark with it, so I kind of went in with a light hand with the purple shade and just making different brush stroke lines, different streaks, and then we'll move on from here. So taking the smallest little brush I have, I'm going to start making the shadow of a tree, I suppose. So first I'm starting off by making like a main branch, and then you can see here that I have little branches or little trundles kind of coming off of that. So I'm just kind of thickening up the branch here, and the more branches, and I keep wanting to say trundles, little sticks and stuff like that you have coming off of your main branch, the more intricate and cool your tree is going to look. So I'm just making sure to thicken everything, and then as you come towards the outer portion of your face, the smaller you're gonna start making your branches. This is going to be a pretty large tree, so I just wanted really large, really long branches and sticks coming off of everything. So I'll just let you watch. You can kind of see how I connect everything here, just small little branches connecting and intertwining with each other, so it looks pretty cool. So I decided I also wanted to kind of show the trunk of the tree and the roots of the tree. So this is a very big tree, obviously. It's got lots of branches and everything like that. So to make the roots of the tree, it's pretty much the same thing as the branches above. I'm just drawing a bunch of little intertwining, I keep saying branches. Take a shot every time I say branches. So just a lot of intertwining branches here. I'm going to move on to the eyes real quick, just adding eyeliner and wings to both eyes, and then we'll come back to that in just a moment. So I just wanted to fill in some of the blank empty spots with some paint. So I went back in with the pink and some purple blues. Working on the other side of the face, I just contoured and bronzed really quickly, and we're going to add some mascara at the end here. But that's about it for that side of the face. Moving on, I wanted to kind of extend one of the branches underneath my eye and also use some of these adhesive gems. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but I ended up loving it. So you can use glitter here if you wanted to. These are just adhesive gems that I got from Michael's a long time ago, and this took me like 35 minutes, honestly. So if you have glitter, that might be faster, but I thought that this just added like a magical ethereal kind of feel to it, and I really liked how it turned out. I'm glad I did the gems. So just adding mascara here on both eyes, doing my eyebrow on the one eye. You can add fake lashes if you wanted to, but I wanted the focus to be on the tree and the paint. That's gonna be it. I'm sorry I explained this tutorial so horribly, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next weekend. Thanks guys, bye.